hiccups, and it wasn't very fun because every time you're talking, it would be like, "Hey, what's up?" And then your friends would be like, "What are you talking about?" So here's some ways to get rid of hiccups. Okay, so one way to get rid of hiccups is to hold your breath. So I'm going to hold my breath. I also read something that if you eat a spoon of peanut butter, that your hiccups will go away. So let's try it. Got my spoon of peanut butter and ready to eat it. Let's do this. It tastes very peanut buttery. It's kind of hard to swallow. Well, all done. Another thing to get rid of your hiccups is to breathe in and out from a paper bag. So I'm going to do that. Feel kind of lightheaded now. Another thing you can do to get rid of your hiccups is eat a spoon of sugar. I've never heard of this one, so let's try it. I got my sugar. Doesn't taste very good. I really hope this gets rid of my hiccups, but it doesn't taste good at all. Well, all done. I have so much energy from that sugar. It feels really good. So this way actually works. My teammate had the hiccups, so my coach told him to do this. So what you do is take a bottle of water or a glass or anything like that, and then take a paper towel or napkin, anything like that, put it on the top. Uh-oh, it broke. Put it on the top, and then drink from it like this. So that way it actually works. I don't know about if the others work, but I'm trying.